the question is, how many years do I have to stay married to get a green card? And it varies, right? And so first off, you could be married for 20 years and never file, and so that's 20 years of marriage. But let's say that if you just got married and you filed right away, there's no hard and fast rule that tells you have to be married a certain amount of time, because what the law says is that your marriage should have been entered into in good faith. So it was a valid, bona fide marriage. But the law does not tell you have to be married for a certain period of time to get a green card. I mean, nobody's telling you that you have to be in a bad marriage, but that you have entered into not for the purposes of getting an immigration benefit. That's the big difference. Thank you for watching.